everybody, here I am again for another fun-filled infomercial about my Abyssal Love Restoration Oracle. So thanks for taking the time to listen to my fun little infomercial for today. I wanted to go over the little logistics about my Oracle deck. Now, I haven't seen all Oracle decks that are out there. But I feel in my personal heart of hearts, mine is a little unique. You know, we have multiple types of Oracle decks out there. I mean, I'm sure millions, right? There are Oracle decks that have quotes on them. Well, mine is like that. Absolutely. Mine is just like that. However, what I decided to do with my Oracle deck is not only have quotes, but also break down my Oracle deck into categories and various aspects within a relationship. So, as you can tell, my Oracle deck is a love Oracle deck. And it's talking about, it goes into the different types of relationships that couples can be in, from the mundane, non-spiritual. They believe it's non-spiritual connections, new relationship type, I call those the matrix relationships. I personally call it that. All the way down and deep into the abyssal of the spiritual connections. A lot of Oracle decks do mention the twin flame, the soulmates, the karmic partners. But for me, I decided to take it a little step further and not only talk about the twin flame and the soulmate and the karmic partners. I decided to delve deeper with the twin ray and the violet flame. I also include the divine partner as well. I have 8 different categories of types of relationships that couples can be involved in. I go from there, and then I break down the various aspects within a relationship that can happen. I only go into 4 different categories and then a miscellaneous. The 4 categories is love, the love aspect of the relationship, and then the anger and resentment part of a relationship. I also go into the sexual, sensual, passionate aspect of the relationship, and then I also go into the rebuilding, the reconciliation when the truth comes out, and it's like, baby please type of situation. Okay, I'm here to reconcile, like, okay, look, it's time to say I'm sorry type of situation. I also color code my cards. I color code the various aspects within the relationship: the love, the anger and resentment, the sensual sexual side, and the reconciliation, the apology, rebuilding. Okay, so with the love, I color coded it pink. For the rebuilding, the reconciliation, I color coded the card green. For the anger and resentment, I color coded the card red. And for the sensual, passionate, sexual side, I color coded it hot pink. I will include also a key that describes these different aspects and what those colors mean to me for these cards. And I also, within the key, I also describe what the twin flame is, what the soulmate is, what the twin ray is, what the violet flame is for these different forms of relationships. And to add, just to let you know with those quotes, please keep in mind that I am a poet. And I decided, like I've stated before, I've decided to utilize my writing skills within my spiritual path and within these cards. So all those quotes are from my heart and from my channels. Also, when you do go through the deck and when you're doing your readings for yourself or for your clients, keep in mind those quotes could apply to you. Querent. if you're doing your own reading or the person that you're getting the reading about. So I just wanted to add that. So I think that's all I want to talk about right now. So in my next video, I'll break down some of the cards. I'll do a little fun reading for you all. Just a little generalized one. Maybe say, okay, for this month, what zodiac sign is for this month? An example. All right, so peace and blessings to you all, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.